Hello guys, so today I'm going to do the continuation of the what if. What if Goku was born with Super Saiyan God? Let's start.
Be strong.
Let's start. So here we continue the what if when Goku, when the androids come. Dr. Zero and 19 come to the battlefield. Goku immediately teleports to them and kicks Dr. Zero. Does a key blast and Dr. Zero is immediately killed. But Android 19 takes Dr. Zero as a shield, and when Android 19 is going to punch, Goku grabs him by the neck and crushes it. Android 19 blasts and Goku smirks at his sudden rise of his power, and this fight was so easy. So after this, Goku senses a small but sensible power going around the city. Suddenly it's going to an isolated area. Goku and Gohan, Krillin, Vegeta and the team teleport there, and it's revealed to be Imperfect Cell. Imperfect Cell opens the lab and absorbs Android 17 and 18. This results in Cell already being in its perfect form. Cell sees the people and goes right in front of Goku, and Goku powers up. Cell powers up. They do a punch, and Goku asks him about who he is, and then Cell says the whole story. But after this, Goku gets angry that he killed everyone in another timeline, his son, his wife, everyone. So Goku punches Cell. Cell dodges it and kicks Goku in the gut. Goku is in pain. Goku spits out blood, but still continues. Goku punches Cell 10 times. Cell is taken aback and then tries to punch Goku. Goku dodges it and does a spins and does a full-blown kick into Cell's face. And now Cell gets angry and does a punch to Goku's face. And Goku, who's going down, just kicks Cell's head and then comes back and punch and does a uppercut to his face and does a kick to the gut. Then Cell gets angered and he goes back, and Goku's back, and tries to steal his energy. But suddenly Goku grabs his tail, breaks it and obliterates through it. The ki blast goes through Cell's body, and the ki blast blasts inside Cell's body. So that's pretty disgusting. It's body parts going away. I cannot think of it. Yeah. So Cell comes back, and this time he is super God perfect. God super perfect. Yeah, God super perfect Cell. This Cell has the red aura form, and he also has the red eyes. Goku, astonished by the power, punches Cell, but Cell grabs it, crushes Goku's hand. Goku's in pain. His hand, blood is coming from his hand. Goku kicks Cell. Cell dodges it and spins Goku and throws him into a direction, and then instant transmissions and does a full-blown elbow punch to Goku's gut, and Goku is punched by Cell 1,000 times in the face and then kicked by him. And then Goku tries to punch him, but Cell immediately breaks his other arm and then does a ki blast to his elbow. This immediately tears Goku's tendons in his right hand and left hand. Cell immediately does a ki blast at Goku's leg, and Goku's leg is also crushed. Cell then charges up a Kamehameha and launches it at Goku. Goku is then seemingly obliterated. But it's quite the opposite. Gohan immediately got Goku and went and did a solar flare, and immediately Kami teleported Goku to Kami's lookout. So now there's Gohan gives him a senzu bean, and Goku immediately goes into full power and teleports back to Cell. And when Cell is least expecting, does a full blown punch, and then when Cell is going to turn around, he just locks Cell in a God bind. When Cell is about to move, Goku just again swings his hand and twice his God bind's power, and then he has a strange aura around him. He takes all his power into a fist and does a full blown punch. This results in Cell's whole body being obliterated. Cell immediately regenerates and then goes out of the God bind and then punches Goku. Goku goes full power and goes par to par with Cell. Cell is then greeted with a back gut punch, then a kick to the elbow, and he breaks Cell's elbow and destroys his inner parts by launching a ki blast through his chest. He kicks Cell and then punches him 1,000 times, and then uses God bind, and this time Cell is in fear. Goku has this yellow aura plus this red cold feel. So Cell immediately goes after the God bind, and Goku, again going full power, punches Cell in the face. Cell again kicks Goku in the face, and then Cell does a uppercut. Goku, who's going to fall down, does a kick to the face and does a gut punch and kicks him and does a elbow punch, and Cell does a ki blast to the chest and does a dragon fist, and Goku is now angry and they do a ki blast attack competition. And after this, both Goku and Cell are exhausted. So Cell immediately snatches the senzu beans from Gohan and Krillin and come before Goku and punches him last time. Goku gets up and tries to do a punch, but Cell immediately blocks it and breaks Goku's hand. Goku can no longer keep up, so he falls unconscious. When he gets up, he is healed by Gohan and Krillin. Gohan and Krillin inform him about the current situation because Cell didn't want to kill Goku that easy when he has the advantage of senzu beans and Goku doesn't, and Goku is all broken and Cell is all new and he has new power Zengai boost and Goku doesn't. So he felt like he himself did a little bit of cheating against Goku, so he lets Goku train for 15 days. Goku, who hears it, immediately jumps up and asks Gohan if we can go to the hyperbolic time chamber, and they immediately go without Gohan really agreeing for it, and they train there. Gohan unlocked a new form, Super Saiyan Blue. Goku unlocked a new form, two forms, Super Saiyan Blue and another form I am not going to reveal now itself. And after this, after they enter out, they train for a whopping 3 years, and Goku finds out something. Goku finds out how to master his new forms. Goku has complete mastery over his new forms, and he has the God, Super Saiyan God in his base. So after they both exit out of the hyperbolic time chamber, King Kai immediately does a telepathic communication with Goku and Gohan, saying that he is grateful for Goku defeating Frieza and everyone, but there is the new threat of Cell, and I know you both are fighting, but I feel like giving an more help to them. So King Kai suggests that they can train, and Goku and Gohan are thinking about what is the purpose of it. After training for 2 days, 3 days, Goku realizes that Kaioken cannot be mastered in 2 days. So, and cannot be taken to higher levels other than 2, 3, 4, 5. So Goku teleports King Kai to the hyperbolic time chamber and also Gohan, and they both train. Gohan is very difficult to achieve the new form, not Blue. He has already achieved it. He is the one who firstly achieved it, but he cannot achieve the second form that his father displayed during the hyperbolic time chamber training. So in 3 years, Gohan have mastery over the Kaioken, but Goku can take it to higher levels. Goku trains for again 2 years, and he can take it for he can add it in his new form. So now they both exit and come early for the tournament. Cell is astonished by the power and goes by the rule, goes by the order. Everyone is defeated, and at the end, Goku comes to the top. He turns blue immediately as he knows Cell's power, and Cell is taken aback. Cell smirks immediately and knows the large amount the gap between them, and Cell turns into his Super Saiyan, like Super Saiyan God form, reddish aura, that type of form, and he gets in a fighting stance. Here, Goku Super Saiyan Blue is compatible to Cell's Super Saiyan God is comparable to Goku Super Saiyan Blue. This is my theory because Cell has the DNA of Piccolo, Yamcha, Tien Shinhan, who all in this story have Kaioken, and Gohan. Gohan who has pure God Ki in him. So Cell is as strong as Goku, if not stronger than him. So Goku fights Cell, but can see that there is a small amount of power between them. So he immediately turns Kaioken and punches Cell. Cell is immediately surprised about the power gap between them. Again, Kaioken, just normal Kaioken, and he punches Cell so many times and does a ki blast, and this nearly obliterates Cell. Cell knows that he can no longer mess around, so he turns Super Saiyan Blue, and Goku smirks and goes Kaioken times 10 and punches Cell. Cell, who gets this, he gets angry and he punches Goku. He then teleports back and does a gut punch and an elbow to the back, and then he breaks Goku's hand. Goku, in his God form, is immediately healed. Goku turns back to his God form and immediately healed, and this allows him regaining his hand back at his full power and having a small Zenkai boost, and he just stops around. He turns Super Saiyan God and swings and does a punch to Cell's face. Cell's face is like obliterated. Cell's face just separated apart. Goku punches Cell and then kicks him. Goku punches him and kicks Cell and then does a full blown uppercut. He immediately charges against Cell and goes Kaioken times 20 and tries to finish this job. He punches Cell, and does an uppercut and goes back and tries to prepare Kamehameha. He uses After Image and does a full blown back hit and does a elbow to the chest and he blasts to the head, and then he continues the Kamehameha. And after this, Cell immediately tries to dodge it, but Goku in instant transmissions just right in front of Cell and does a full blown gut punch and a ki blast to the face, and this results in Cell being obliterated, and he continues the Kamehameha. Goku continues the Kamehameha. Cell is finished. Cell now, who knows that he can, he has the DNA of both Goku and Gohan and feels confident, so goes Super Saiyan Blue evolution, and this results in Goku and Cell having equal power, or Cell having more power than Goku. I suppose that's what. So Cell immediately punches Goku. He kicks him and does a kick to the gut and does a uppercut and does a kick to the gut again and does a small uppercut and does a elbow punch to the gut and does a small ki blast, and this sends Goku miles away. Goku in anger turns Super Saiyan Blue evolution and adds Kaioken on top of it. His maximum is 50. So Goku turns 30 and immediately charges to Cell and punches him in the face. Cell, who smirks, falls to the ground, and Goku also falls to the ground, and they two both at the same time do a punch. Goku's face is smashed and Cell's face is smashed at the same time. They both do a kick and the whole atmosphere is changed. It's red color. It's red in color, and both of them are having the best time of their life. Goku punches Cell. Cell does a spin and does a kick to Goku's face. Goku, who smirks, does a full blown kick to the gut and does a uppercut and does a ki blast. After this, Cell immediately tries to block Goku's punch, but after this Goku takes it full 50 and Cell knows that he can no longer evolve. He takes his fate and tries to dodge it anyway, but Goku, who immediately shows his overwhelming power, has a mastery over his power. So Goku punches Cell, then breathes, and all of the aura is inside him. And as Goku sees, and as Cell sees, it's purple. The form is purple. Goku smirks and does a full blown punch to the face. Cell's full body is obliterated. He comes back, if only for the small nucleus, and he is stronger. But he cannot, his full power cannot even manage to seize Goku's 1% in his new form. Goku's incredibly powerful. Goku didn't even punch Cell, but Cell's whole body just obliterated. So Cell admits his defeat and tries to think about the good in mankind and turns good and shakes hands with Goku. This is the ending of part 2. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy. Bye. Signing off, Vic.